tell your name and everything. You can't tire.
Totally 5,000 drama evening. Today we have film award for his documentaries and he has been a celebrated filmmaker who has been mentoring with students across the world. And he has worked with various channels such as BBC, Discovery Channel and Channel 4. Now I request Dr. Michael Yog and Mrs. Valerie Yog to come on to the dais, please.
Okay. Yes, sir. Look here, sir. Please.
I request HK Namkar to come on to the dais, please.
तू अमरेला लगा दो अमरेला वो होता हाँ पूछने वाला ये क्या
I request Naga Reddy Garu to come on to the dais, please.
हाँ तो पहली बार नहीं फ्रेंड की बात बता रहा था ये लाइटिंग बार सताते तो उसके तुम जहाँ वो अलग अलग ये मैं कहाँ पर हाँ ये तो 10 साल होने को आया दिल्ली में नहीं ये सब फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम है मेरा दोस्त थर्ड को गिरा दिया हैंडल को
Now I request Srimati Upila Garu to come on to the dais.
पहले से अभी हटा दो ना यहीं से ढाई से जाने का नहीं चलो ठीक है हाँ क्या कैमरा लेके और कुछ नहीं है ना बैटरी कैमरा के लिए इमरजेंसी लगा दो ना गाड़ी तो साइडों में रहता है यहाँ पर ही लगा दो दो भी यहाँ लगा दो ना एक बस ऑलरेडी दो है
Now I request Sri Madhav Reddy Garu to come on to the dais, please.
वो भी लाके
I request OSPD Prasad Garu to come on to the dais, please. Master Party to deliver the keynote speech for this evening. Now I request the guest to light the lamp. Yes.
भाई मिला ना तुम्हारे को कॉन्फ्रेंस
I request Gangadhar Garu to come out to the dais, please. call them onto the dais. I would like to request Dr. V. Pandekar to come onto the dais. And I would like to request Sri D.K. Sharma, Minister of Agriculture, Government of India, to come onto the dais. I request Professor Nageshwar Rao Garu, Usmania University, to come onto the dais, please. With lot of love, we would like to present a token of gift to Dr. Michael Yoke and Miss Valerie Yoke, and also felicitate the guests on the dais.
Sir. Hello. Excuse me, sir. Yes, okay, right, sir.